Looking for a reliable and feature-rich Forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we're taking a closer look at Swissquote, a broker known for its strong reputation, professional platforms, and wide market access. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Swissquote is a globally established online broker and Swiss licensed bank founded in 1996 and headquartered in Gland, Switzerland. Known for its strong focus on security, transparency, and Swiss financial stability, Swissquote is publicly listed on the SIX Swiss exchange under the ticker SQN and serves clients in over 100 countries worldwide. The broker offers access to a wide range of markets, making it a true multi-asset platform for both active traders and long-term investors. Swissquote also stands out by combining traditional banking services with professional trading capabilities, offering multi-currency accounts alongside advanced platforms such as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, TradingView integration, and its own proprietary trading platform. The company operates under a regulated framework designed to meet international financial standards, and with its premium positioning, advanced tools, as well as access to global markets, Swissquote is best suited for traders and investors who value a professional trading environment backed by a long-standing financial institution. Swissquote offers a wide and diverse range of financial instruments across multiple asset classes to suit both traders and long-term investors. You can trade stocks, ETFs, bonds, options, and futures, giving you access to major global exchanges and the ability to build a diversified portfolio. Swissquote also supports Forex and CFD trading, allowing speculation on currency pairs, indices, commodities, and more without owning the underlying assets, with access to hundreds of CFD markets. For those interested in digital assets, Swissquote's platform supports cryptocurrencies, including major coins, which you can trade directly on its SQX exchange. Additionally, Swissquote provides fractional trading, so you can invest in portions of high-priced stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies, even with a smaller budget. All of these instruments are available through Swissquote's range of trading platforms, offering flexibility. Whether you're scaling your first positions or executing advanced strategies. Swissquote operates within a robust regulatory and compliance framework that's built around its status as a Swiss bank and global broker. As part of Swissquote's structure, the company is regulated by major financial authorities in multiple jurisdictions, including Switzerland's FINMA, the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, the Dubai Financial Services Authority, the Securities and Futures Commission in Hong Kong, the Malta Financial Services Authority, and other regulators depending on the region, giving it a multi-layered oversight presence around the world. To protect client funds, Swissquote keeps customer assets segregated from its own operational accounts, which means that client money is held separately to help ensure it's safe even in extreme scenarios. The firm also enforces strict Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering procedures during onboarding and ongoing account activity, and uses modern data encryption, multi-factor authentication, and other security protocols to safeguard personal and financial information against unauthorized access or cyber threats. In addition to regulatory oversight, Swissquote's listing on the SIX Swiss exchange means it must adhere to high standards of corporate governance, recurring audits, and public financial reporting, all of which contribute to transparency and accountability for clients. Swissquote provides bonuses and promotional offers that are generally region-specific and available for limited periods, rather than ongoing incentives. These promotions can include cash bonuses linked to qualifying deposits or asset transfers, referral programs that reward both existing and new clients, as well as occasional commission-free ETF trading offers on selected products. The value of each promotion typically depends on the size of the deposit and the specific campaign terms, and availability can vary by country and regulatory framework. Because these offers can change over time, it's always best to check Swissquote's official promotions page to see which incentives are currently available in your region. Swissquote offers a versatile suite of trading platforms designed to suit a wide range of traders, from beginners to advanced and professional users. At the core is CFXD, Swissquote's proprietary platform, with intuitive web and mobile interfaces, customizable layouts, integrated charting, and tools like AutoChartist for spotting trade opportunities. Traders also get access to the industry-standard MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, which support advanced charting, automated trading with expert advisors, and flexible order types, available on desktop, web, and mobile. On top of that, Swissquote has full integration with TradingView, allowing you to trade Forex and CFDs directly from real-time TradingView charts without leaving the interface. All platforms aim to combine powerful analysis tools with reliable execution, giving traders the flexibility to choose the workflow that fits their trading strategy and style. Swissquote offers a range of live trading account types that scale with your trading volume and experience, giving you flexibility in pricing and conditions. For many traders, the premium account serves as a solid starting point with competitive spreads and no commissions, making it ideal for everyday Forex and CFD trading. Their standard trading account is designed as a solid entry point for traders who want straightforward access to Forex and CFD markets. With this account, you get competitive spreads and no fixed commissions, making it suitable for traders who prefer simpler pricing and aren't yet trading at high volumes. The standard account gives you access to major currency pairs and other CFD markets, along with the full suite of Swissquote's trading platforms. It's a great option if you're starting out or want an account that lets you trade across multiple asset classes without dealing with complex pricing structures. Although more active or high-volume traders might benefit from tighter spreads available in higher-tier account types. Swissquote's professional trading account is designed for experienced and high-volume traders who require bespoke trading conditions tailored to their individual strategies and execution needs. Instead of a one-size-fits-all setup, this account offers customized pricing structures, tighter spread environments, and commission models that are aligned with higher trading volumes and professional-level activity. Traders on the professional account benefit from enhanced execution quality, deeper liquidity access, and priority conditions that can make a meaningful difference for advanced strategies. Alongside these tailored trading terms, professional clients still enjoy full access to Swissquote's complete platform suite, as well as multi-asset exposure across Forex, indices, commodities, and CFD markets. This account type is best suited for traders who meet professional criteria and want trading conditions that adapt to how they trade, rather than the other way around. Across all these account types, you benefit from the same core trading access, including major currency pairs and CFD markets, with the main difference being spread levels, commission structures, and minimum deposit requirements, so you can choose the account that best fits your trading style and budget. Creating an account with Swissquote is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Open Your Account button. Next, fill out your personal information, such as your name and country of residence, to start your application. Or you can simply open a demo account. Keep in mind that if you are opening a live account, you will need to submit and complete your account application. Once you have opened your Swissquote account and have chosen your preferred trading account type, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the CFXD trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is Swissquote's CFXD trading platform. At the top left of the dashboard, you have your market watch. Here you can browse and switch between all of Swissquote's available market instruments. On the right side of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. The CFXD trading platform provides a wide variety of chart types, tools, and indicators to help you customize your charts according to your preferences. Additionally, the platform supports one-click trading and provides tools like AutoChartist to help you stay updated. If you are new to any of Swissquote's platforms, the broker provides a wide variety of helpful educational content to help you understand the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. Swissquote's funding and withdrawal process is straightforward but fairly traditional compared with many online brokers. The primary ways to deposit funds are bank wire transfers and credit or debit cards, with card deposits usually credited instantly and bank transfers typically taking 1 to 3 business days to arrive in your trading account. Swissquote itself doesn't charge fees for deposits, though intermediary banks or card issuers may apply their own charges, and all deposits must come from accounts or payment methods in your own name. For withdrawals, funds are generally sent back to the original funding source, and bank wire transfers are the main way to get money out. Card withdrawals are available only if you originally deposited with a card. Swissquote doesn't usually charge withdrawal fees on bank wire transfers, but external bank or intermediary fees can apply, and processing times vary based on the method and your bank's own processing. Because of regulatory anti-money laundering rules, withdrawals must go to accounts in your name and third-party payments aren't permitted. Swissquote offers a solid suite of educational resources designed to help traders and investors build their knowledge and skills at their own pace. Through its Learning Center, clients can access structured content such as video lessons, ebooks, and user guides covering essential topics like Forex basics, CFD trading, technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, and how to use platforms like MetaTrader 5, making it useful for both beginners and more experienced traders looking to refine their strategies. In addition to structured courses, Swissquote's broader Inspire Hub features regular webinars, expert insights, morning news, blog articles, podcasts, and YouTube content that help keep you informed about market trends, trading strategies, and financial developments. While the educational offerings focus mainly on self-paced learning and video-based content, they provide a comprehensive foundation and ongoing market insights that can support traders as they grow their skills. Swissquote offers a comprehensive set of news and market analysis resources designed to help traders stay informed and make smarter decisions. Through its Inspire Hub, you can access a variety of expert content, including morning news updates, blogs, podcasts, and video insights that cover major market events, trends, and trading ideas, all curated by Swissquote's in-house team of analysts. These updates bring timely commentary on equities, Forex, commodities, and economic developments to your screen, helping you track what's moving the markets and why. In addition to written and audio content, Swissquote provides daily market analysis videos and posts regular webinars that dive deeper into strategy and outlooks. Some research tools, such as Trading Central and AutoChartist, also offer automated pattern recognition and technical analysis directly within supported platforms, adding another layer of actionable insights to your trading toolkit. Over the years of operation, Swissquote has earned a number of prestigious industry awards and recognitions that highlight its strengths in innovation, product offering, and client value. In recent years, Swissquote was named one of Europe's fastest-growing companies by the Financial Times and Statista as a growth champion for 2026, reflecting its strong business momentum. Its proprietary structured products marketplace, Swiss Dots, won the Best Innovation Award at the Swiss Derivatives Awards in 2025, and at the ForexBrokers.com Awards in 2025, Swissquote received top rankings for having one of the most tradable symbol sets, strong banking services, investment range, trust score, and crypto trading capabilities. Swissquote has also been repeatedly recognized by the public as the Online ETF Broker of the Year at the Swiss ETF Awards, and magazines like Balance and PME have named it among Switzerland's most innovative companies. Additionally, Swissquote Bank Europe has picked up accolades such as the Best Bank for Digital Assets in Europe and Best Private Bank for Self-Directed Investments, further underscoring its industry leadership across digital banking and multi-asset trading services. Overall, Swissquote stands out as a premium, Swiss-based online broker and digital bank that combines the strengths of a traditional financial institution with modern trading technology. Its broad market access, spanning Forex, CFDs, stocks, ETFs, bonds, options, futures, and crypto, gives traders and investors a truly global trading ecosystem. And with intuitive platforms like CFXD, MetaTrader 4 and 5, as well as TradingView integration, You get powerful tools whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader. Swissquote's regulatory framework and banking heritage provides layers of oversight and financial stability that many pure brokers simply can't match, and its inclusion in a publicly traded banking group adds transparency and accountability to how it operates. That said, Swissquote isn't without its compromises. The minimum deposit requirements and some of the account costs, including wider spreads on entry-level accounts and additional inactivity or custody fees, means it's generally better suited to serious traders or investors rather than casual or low-volume users. Ultimately, if you value Swiss financial reliability, strong security, deep market access, and professional-grade platforms, Swissquote is a compelling choice, especially for those planning to build diversified portfolios or trade at higher volumes. But if your priority is ultra-low costs or the widest range of flexible deposit and withdrawal options, there are other brokers out there that may be better suited for those specific needs. If you decide to explore Swissquote further, weigh the features against your personal trading goals and budget, and always test the platform for yourself before committing. And that is our overview of Swissquote. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.